Dear children, good morning again. Till last week in grammar session, you have learnt simple, compound and complex sentences. Nearly, I have given 9 models. This week, I am going to teach you direct and indirect speech. You know, there are 4 types of sentences in English language. They are statements or descriptive sentences. Number 2, interrogative sentences or questions. Number 3, imperative sentences, which means advice, order, request. And 4th, exclamatory sentences. Whatever a person says to his friend or relative is called direct speech. For example, Ramesh said to his cousin, "All my family members are fine now." In this example, "all my family members are fine now" is actually direct words spoken by Ramesh to his cousin. Now, to change this direct words of Ramesh into indirect speech, or if you want to report these words of Ramesh to someone in your own words, you must follow 5 rules. Follow the 5 following rules carefully. Rule number 1. Remove the verb said to and use the reporting verb told instead of that said to. Rule number 2. Remove the given comma and inverted commas and use the conjunction that. Rule 3. Change the first person and second person pronouns as follows. Suppose in direct speech I is given, change that into he or she. My can be changed into his or her. Me can be changed into him or her. Suppose in direct speech you is given, that also can be changed into he or she. Your should be changed into his or her. You given in the middle of the sentence can be changed into him or her. Rule number 4. Change the given verbs into past tense as follows. Suppose in direct speech present tense verb is given, you must change the present tense verb into past tense. For example, if the verb eat is given, that must be changed into ate. Go must be changed into went. Auxiliary verb will is given, means that must be changed into would. Can must be changed into could. May must be changed into might. Have, has must be changed into had. Suppose if past tense is given in direct speech itself, change that into past perfect tense. Suppose in direct speech the verb went is given, that must be changed into had gone in your indirect speech. Gave must be changed into had given. Rule number 5. Common changes. These common changes are common to all the 4 types of sentences. Suppose in direct speech the word here is given, that must be changed into there. Now must be changed into then. This must be changed into that. Today must be changed into that day. Yesterday must be changed into the previous day. Tomorrow must be changed into the next day. I hope you have understood. Follow the rules and do the exercise given below after going through the examples. I think you all remember direct and indirect speech rules I taught in 8th standard itself. 8th, 9th itself. Now, example, Ramesh said something. What he said? My family members are fine now. By following the rules, our answer will be Ramesh told that his family members were fine then. Example number 2. Lata said to his cousin, "I will come to your house tomorrow." Now, your indirect speech will be Lata told his cousin that she would come to his house the next day. Okay? After understanding the rules, do the following exercise given below. After doing grammar exercise, send them to my personal WhatsApp number. All the best.